Well, it's actually happening. Wealthsimple's going to do what they've planned on doing since they started the company. Introducing Wealthsimple Plus, a better way to buy US stocks here in Canada. For as little as $10 a month, they're going to be able to let you buy US stocks for no commission charges and no foreign exchange fees on trades. With all of that, we're going to get United States dollar accounts. We'll talk more about that. This is insane. No foreign exchange fees on trades, unlimited price change alerts, snap quotes for real-time on-demand prices, and instant deposits up to $5,000. So the way that these US dollar accounts work is that you might have two separate accounts at your regular bank. Like I bank with TD, right? And my trading accounts, I have a Canadian trade account and then a United States trading account. This will allow me to put the money into the United States dollar account. I'm still going to get, a big fee for actually putting it in. They're going to take a foreign exchange fee for that. Once it's in that account, okay, I can buy and sell as many stocks as I want. The number can run up as high as it wants, and they won't take another foreign exchange fee. The difference is that if you were to try buying in your Wealthsimple Trade account, Google or Apple or something like this, every single time that you were to buy and sell, they're going to take that 1.5% every single time. With these new US dollar accounts, they're only going to do it once and then whenever you leave. Now, I've never even withdrawn out of my United States dollar accounts in my banks just because I'm trying to grow for a lifetime worth of investing. So you're really only getting in for the one time, and then you're going to have to take out eventually. Now, I know a lot of people worry about subscriptions and they're trying to keep their costs down, but $10 a month is so unbelievably cheap for the benefits that you're getting from this account. Like whenever you think about all the trades that you might do on a TD bank account, okay? Like for example, me, I probably do around 20 trades on average per month in my United States dollar account, okay? That's $10 a buy and $10 a sell for what they charge me on their commission-based services. Wealthsimple is commission-free, so as long as I make 2 trades on this new Plus account, then I'm going to be saving money in my tax-free savings account. My commission charges alone per month on my TD US account is probably around $200 a month because they charge for that, that buy and that sell. The second I'm able to transfer over to Wealthsimple Trade, I'm going to do so with this new Plus account because it's going to save me a fortune. That's also not to add in the fact that regular banks usually have a way higher foreign exchange fee. For example, TD Bank has around 3.55% for whenever you do your withdrawals and your deposits. With Wealthsimple Trade, this is only going to be 1.5%. So even for a deposit and a withdrawal, it's still going to be less than only one transaction from TD. This is seriously changing the game for Canadian investors, and I do not want to undersell it at all. Whenever I read this news, I literally jumped out of my chair. This is so exciting for us. I love Wealthsimple Trade the way it stands, but currently I only use them for my Canadian trading, which probably makes up around 1/10 of what I do with all my money. And I mean, it's just simple. There's just not enough great options on the Canadian Stock Exchange, and we don't get into the big industries that I love like tech. I mean, yeah, sure, we have Shopify and all these things, but currently we only have around 2,231 stocks on the Toronto Stock Exchange. All of those added up makes around a market cap of $3.1 trillion Canadian. But the United States markets are a completely different beast, having around 5,100 different companies between the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange, which makes up for a market cap of around $48 trillion US or $60 trillion Canadian, or in other words, 20 times larger than the Canadian markets. I would seriously not even blink if they were asking for $100 a month for this service. I really do think it comes with that many benefits. Even the $5,000 a month instant deposits are so good for buying the dip whenever a company makes dramatic changes in its price, like a DocuSign, for example. If that were to just go down and shoot right back up, you would be able to instantly deposit your money, no 3-day waits or anything like this that you would see on the other platforms, and instantly deposit a good amount of money. Now, on Wealthsimple's website, they actually had a frequently asked questions, and this one I actually wanted to quote pretty well. So why is Wealthsimple doing all this? Doesn't it want all the 1.5% foreign exchange fees? And they had a really good answer, and I really do believe them. They said, listen, this might sound cheesy, but we want to build long-lasting relationships with our clients. And we figure not charging frequent traders for every trade is a good way of doing so. And we want to make sure our services are super accessible. This has to be 100% true, because the truth is, I'm not the only trader that actually breaks down their fees and just goes with whatever brokerages is charging me the least. I separate all my Canadian investing from my US, so I do all my US trading with, TD Bank, and then I do all my Canadian with Wealthsimple. But by doing this and making less on their current customers on the foreign exchange fees right now, they're going to make so much more in the long term whenever Canadians realize the 100x, service that they're offering right here compared to their competitors. The Plus accounts are set to release on March of 2022, and the day that that comes out, I'll be transferring all my assets under management from the different banks that I use to Wealthsimple Trade. This is so genius, it cannot even be undersold at all. This is really going to change and up the game for us as Canadian investors. We're finally going to have this Robinhood-esque platform where we can buy as little as, 3 shares of a company if I had like $60 on the side and just wanted to, buy Corsair, 3 shares of Corsair because I didn't go out to dinner that day. That would be amazing. It must be great being an American and having those services. We currently don't, so I cannot wait for this. It's only 3 months away. I feel like that's my new Christmas. If you guys do not already use Wealthsimple Trade to buy and sell your stocks, it is not too late to get the benefits of this new service. By using my referral link in the description down below, you'd be able to get 2 free stocks to start your investing journey that could also be valued up to $4,500 a share. It'll also be the best way of supporting the channel, as I do also get compensated for the affiliate links, and hopefully I can actually boost up the studio a little bit and, get a better light on this side. I do know I'm overexposed. You guys don't need to keep telling me in the comments down below. But that's all for me today, guys. If you guys liked the video, I really appreciate a like, and subscribe down below if you want to see more financial content just like this. Anyways, that's all for me today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.